Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook apple chicken sausage. First, let's get started with searing. Begin by slicing your apple chicken sausage into 1-inch pieces. Then, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, add the sausage and sear for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color on all sides. This initial step locks in the flavor. Now that our sausage is nicely seared, it's time to add some vibrant vegetables. Toss in about 1 cup of sliced bell peppers and 1 cup of sliced onions into the same skillet. Continue to sauté these for 5 to 7 minutes, or until they become tender crisp. Remember to stir occasionally to ensure everything cooks evenly and absorbs those delicious flavors from the sausage. To elevate the flavors even further, let's add some liquid and seasonings. Pour in 1/2 cup of chicken broth or apple cider, which complements the apple in the sausage beautifully. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried thyme and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for an additional 5 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld together. Finally, our delicious apple chicken sausage is ready. Remove the skillet from the heat and let it rest for just 2 minutes. This brief pause allows the flavors to settle. For a fresh touch, you can garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or chives. Serve this versatile dish hot alongside your favorite rice, pasta, or a crisp green salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.